We all love these moments. An active day in fresh open air. Breathing deeply is balm for the body and soul. Dry, dusty rooms, however, afflict our health seriously, especially during winter. Our children are the ones suffering most. The consequences: sneezing and coughing, affected vocal cords, reddened eyes, dry skin. With our help, you can change that. Put an end to the results of dry air by regular humidification, thus improving the air of a room and your well-being remarkably. The powerful ultrasonic humidifier system by Aeroswiss transforms water into a fine mist and releases it into the room. The demineralization cartridge produces mist without mineral residue. The system also ensures low power consumption, extremely quiet operation, and antimicrobial water quality maintenance due to the ionic silver stick. This ionic silver stick inhibits microbial growth in the appliance effectively and keeps the water permanently fresh. The turnable nozzle enables the U200 to achieve a humidity output of up to 300 grams per hour, which makes it suitable for rooms up to 50 square meters. The variable output control regulates the mist production. Fragrances can be used as desired to create a pleasant environment. The blue water illumination emphasizes the design of the U200 and can be switched off as desired. The unit shuts off automatically if the water tank is empty. The Aeroswiss U200 is very easy to operate. Its compact size will fit anywhere, and the tank handle ensures convenient refilling, so that you can feel at home like in fresh open air. Aeroswiss, improving your quality of life.